Whether you're already enabled for managed payments or will be soon, here's what you need to know about eBay fees. First, they're simpler. You'll pay only one final value fee, just to eBay, consisting of a category-based percentage of the total amount of the sale, plus a 30p fixed fee per order, and you will not pay separate payments processing fees. They're convenient. Final value fees and select fees associated with the order will be automatically deducted at the time of the sale, and the rest of your proceeds will be paid out directly to your bank account. You choose the payout schedule that works best for you, daily or weekly. You'll see fewer fees on your invoices. And with all of your fees in one place, your reconciliation will be simpler. In the event of a refund or cancellation, the variable portion of your final value fee will generally be returned to you, and eBay will retain only the fixed per order fee. And finally, when eBay manages your payments, most sellers can expect savings overall. To learn more about fees for your business, check out the Payments tab in Seller Hub.
Get more tips and guidance from the eBay team by subscribing to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.